Process standardization leads to improved quality, productivity, and morale. To aid this effort, SOLIDWORKS Manage provides powerful process management capabilities to automate simple and complex workflows. With the 2020 release, these capabilities have expanded, making it easier to incorporate unique details and data from various sources. When you start a process in Manage, like an engineering change, you can simply add affected items and their related references. This is easily accomplished by right-clicking on the primary record and choosing to add related records. With SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020, multiple related records can be added at once, even if they're stored in different objects like libraries, bill of materials, PDM, and beyond. This greatly reduces the time to accurately capture the necessary records when starting a process. SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020 also supports new scenarios for processes. Special objects like risks, project issues, and product requirements can now be added to a process so you can automate their disposition. If process items need to be split so that they go to different stages, you can use the new sub-process capability. For example, in the engineering change scenario, you can specify some files to use the express route while the others use the standard route. The relationships between the parent and child processes are captured, so you can easily navigate to the parent process and see all of the associated sub-processes. With SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020, it's easier to set the standard so you can improve the quality, productivity, and morale at your company.